Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. Today we are making up some no-bake cookies. Another yummy treat for your, I know Thanksgiving's coming up, but I know we all try to, get things started or ideas what we'll make. And this is a simple no-bake cookie, which is just a few ingredients: some peanut butter, some chocolate chips, some marshmallows, some Rice Krispie cereal, and if you want, you can use some Christmas sprinkles. But everything you need for these will be in the description box. All the ingredients and measurements that I'm using. But I have my chocolate chips in there and my peanut butter, and I'm going to put this in the microwave, and I'm going to stir it every 30 seconds or so, just until your chips and your peanut butter melt. You don't want to get this hot because we don't want to melt our marshmallows. We want to keep those whole. So just until, if you have a little bit of chunks of the chips left at the end there, just keep stirring, but take it out and just keep stirring it because we don't want this hot. You're just melting it where you still have a few chips in there, and just don't overheat it. And if you do, just let it cool down before you add those marshmallows. So I'm going to get this, my peanut butter and my chocolate chips, in the microwave. Okay, we got that melted. You can still see a few little pieces in there, but those are going to melt. Get that peanut butter and chocolate all mixed in there. These are some delicious little no-bake cookies. Chocolate, peanut butter, marshmallow. And we got that. Make sure it's not real hot. And we'll add our Rice Krispies right to that. Simple but so good. And if you're new to the channel and you're enjoying the channel, please like, subscribe, and share. I truly appreciate it. Get those mixed in there. You can definitely double this if you'd like. Now we are going to add our marshmallows. See, and it's just that quick. And you're just going to drop these by spoonfuls, however big you want to make them. And while they're still wet, you could put some little Christmas sprinkles on them if you'd like. But let me go ahead and grab my tray. Okay, I got some parchment paper there. Go ahead and put you some parchment paper down. I'll probably do maybe a good-sized tablespoon. Just put that right on there, and just, you can leave them thick or just spread them out, or now you can do them like that and put a little bit of Christmas sprinkles on them, whatever kind you have. And you can go ahead and put a marshmallow where it's to be seen if you'd like. And I'll continue. Okay, friends, here's the no-bake cookies. I don't know why they call them cookies. To me, they're more like candy. But I guess because they're shaped like a cookie. I don't know if this is the right choice of putting them on here. That's kind of dark, isn't it? But let me take one up off here so you can see it. I stuck these in the refrigerator probably about a half hour just to let them firm up. But great gifts for Christmas with your, if you make up your holiday treats and give them away. Little Christmas boxes with candies and cookies. But anyways, I kind of split the marshmallows in half with a few of them. But ain't those pretty? And you can't go wrong with chocolate and peanut butter and marshmallows. They are good. I'm going to take a bite of this one with the marshmallows. Instead of biting it, I'll just look at there. See there? Can you all see that? They're delicious. Those Rice Krispies. Those sure are good. But I hope you guys enjoy. And like I said, they're easy. But until next time, you guys stay safe, love one another, take care of one another, especially right now what everybody's going through. And we will see you all later. If I ever forget anything, I'll always leave it in the description. And as I said, everything you need for these will be in the description box. And I do have the other ones if you want to go check out that video, which are the white chocolate and peanut butter. Same thing, just white chocolate, dark, or I use semi-sweet for these. But anyway, you guys enjoy. I don't know if that's going to get blurry. I know you can't really see them that well. It's dark and my horrible lighting. But we will see you all later. I love y'all. You guys take care. Bye-bye.